Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would film my everyday makeup look. This is my go-to makeup look for an everyday basis, whether it be going to work or running errands. This is the look that I like to do. So if you are interested in seeing how I get this look, then just keep on watching. So guys, usually in the morning I'll start out my day with a cup of tea, and today I have made myself some peppermint tea. Usually I like drinking either peppermint or green tea with lemon. I love tea, so if you've got any suggestions or want to leave a comment down below letting me know which types of tea that you like or would recommend, then please go ahead and do that. So usually I'll sip on my tea while I am getting ready of a morning. So starting out, usually I'll just get my little hair clip and just clip off my fringe to the side. So starting out, I'm actually not going to be using a primer. I've just moisturized my face. So I find that sometimes if I put too much product on my skin, it makes my makeup wear off a lot faster and melt down quicker. So today I'm just going to be going straight in with my Makeup Revolution Fast Face Foundation. And this is a new one that I've picked up and tried out. I'm in the shade F4. It's a really amazing dupe for the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. And at first when I popped this on, I thought it was going to be far too pink for my skin tone, but then when I blend it out, it actually blends in quite good with my fair skin for the winter. So usually I'll just blend it out with my Real Techniques buffing brush, and it's just super quick and easy to do. So go ahead and buff that all in. And this formula is really creamy. And it just blends into the skin so quickly and easily. So I really love this product. Definitely has a more dewy finish. So if you're very oily, then you probably won't like this product as much. But if you've got drier skin, and especially for the winter time when our skin usually does dry out a little bit more, I really am enjoying this foundation. Okay, so as you can see, I'm looking super pale right now, but don't worry, after I've applied my concealer, we're gonna go in and contour and bronze up my skin, so I won't be looking like a ghost for much longer. But unfortunately, it's the winter time, and I really just can't be bothered to fake tan every week. So you're all just gonna have to deal with my white skin. So for concealer, I'm going in again with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the shade C3. So I'm just going to be popping that under my eye. And then I'm going to be blending that out with the Makeup Revolution Complexion Sponge. So this one here was only $5, and I think that it's a pretty good dupe for the Real Techniques sponge that I normally use, and at $5 you can't complain. So it blends the product out really nicely. Love this concealer too. It's so full coverage, but it still looks natural on the skin. So definitely recommend this one, and it's only $7, which is such a steal. Okay, so now I'm just going to set my concealer with the RCMA No Color Powder, and I usually just tap a little bit of that onto the back of my hand, and then just pick up a small flat brush and very lightly just tap underneath the eye, just looking up. And you only really need a small amount of this. It's a really great setting product. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the Australis Fresh and Flawless Pressed Powder, and that is in the shade Deep Natural. So just dipping into that and just lightly setting the rest of my face. I'm not going too heavy with the setting powder because I want my skin to still look quite dewy. I wouldn't mind trying some more drugstore setting powders, so if anyone has any suggestions for a good drugstore setting powder, then please leave those in the comments down below. Okay, that's done. Okay, now really need to bronze up my face because I'm looking super pale right now. So usually I'll go in with my Anastasia contour kit in light to medium. So I just usually will take these two shades nudes, mix them together and use those to contour. I'm just contouring all the usual spots, so my cheekbones and forehead, jawline and my nose. This is such a classic product. I've been using this to contour for years and it's just such a reliable contour. Just go right in and bronze everything up. To add a little bit more warmth to my face, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster in the shade Light to Medium. And I'm just going to be applying that to my cheeks. And a little bit onto my forehead. So next up for blush, I'm going in with the Balm Cosmetics Hot Mama Blush, which is a favorite of mine. It's a super peachy, flattering shade and it has a really beautiful sheen to it. For highlight, I've been using MAC Whisper of Guilt, which is this one here, and I've absolutely been loving this highlight. It's just perfect for creating that glossy looking skin. So I'm just going to be applying that to the tops of my cheekbones. And just applying a little bit of that down the bridge of my nose and onto my Cupid's bow and chin. For brows, I'm going in with my Pony Cosmetics Mainstain in the shade Chestnut and just using the brush that comes with that one. And I'm just lightly filling in my brows. First, I usually brush them up. And then because my brows are already quite thick, I usually just trace above and below the brow just to give them a more clean line and definition. For lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with the MAC Cosmetics Lip Pencil in the shade Soar. And just filling my lips in with that same colour. And then for lipstick, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Comfort Matte Lipstick in the shade Stark Naked. And this is just a really beautiful peachy nude colour. So usually I'll use my setting spray before I apply mascara, and that's just because I find that when I apply it after I've already put mascara on, I get all the mascara transfer just underneath my eyes. So we're just going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Hydrating and Plumping Makeup Fixing Spray. That's a mouthful. This is a really nice fixing spray though. It is really hydrating to the skin, and I think it was only $11. So if you are interested, I'm gonna have all the products that I've used today linked down below. For mascara, I'm going in with the Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes Mascara and just applying a couple of coats of that. For my everyday makeup, I don't usually apply eyeliner and eyeshadow. I just find I really don't have that much time in the mornings, so it's usually just a couple of coats of mascara and the eyes are good to go. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, then please hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave a comment and let me know what other types of videos you'd like to see on this channel. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever it is that you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!